Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and we are going to study maths. X, that is your chapter number 2, exercise 2b. So, already we have discussed few questions. So, now today I am going to discuss question number 6 and 7. Okay. Now, look at here. What is given? 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. You have to write it in standard form. Got it? 1 micron equal to 1 by 1 and 60 is given. So how you will write in standard form? Okay, we'll see this part. Now 1 by 1 and 6 zeros are given. Okay, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 by this much meter. We have to write in standard form. Okay, so first of all, this 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is given 1 by 10 lakh. So how will write? 1 by, look at here, in denominator 6 zeros are given. So we can write it as 1 by 10 to the power 6. Okay, 1 by 10 to the power 6. Now this 10 to the power 6 we can write as 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Can we write or not? This 10 to the power 6. This if we'll bring into the numerator, then this plus exponent will become minus exponent. Okay. So it is becoming 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So can you see it is given in the form of, we have written this one as m into 10 to the power n form, where m is 1 and 10 to the power n, where n is minus 6. Okay, so it is in standard form. Okay, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, or simply you can say 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, any number multiplied by 1 we get the same number. So this is your standard form. Now just look at here, question number 2. Size of bacteria is given how much? 0.0000 something 0004 meter. Okay, this we have to write in standard form. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do here? This decimal we have to remove. Okay, so we'll see this part how we can do. Okay, before coming to that part, let's do one simple example. Suppose if I'll ask you 0.005 meter, express it in standard form. Okay, so how you'll express this one in standard form? So first of all, how we can write this one? We have to remove this decimal. This decimal we have to remove. To remove this decimal in standard 5 only you must have studied. To remove this decimal, we write in the denominator 1. After decimal, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So we'll write 30. Okay, so it will become 5 by 1000 meter. Okay, now 5 by 1000 meter, we can 1000 we can write as what? 5 by 10 to the power 3. Why 10 to the power 3? Because 3 zeros are there. So now 5 by 10 to the power 3 we can write as 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. How it is becoming 10 to the power minus 3? This 10 to the power 3 we have brought into numerator, from denominator to numerator. So this positive exponent has become now negative. Now this has come into the form of m into 10 to the power n, where m is your 5 and n is your minus 3. This is your standard form. Okay, So in the same way you can do the question of your book. Okay, now your book question, what is given here? In your book it is given so in your book it is given 0.00000, I think 6 zeros are given, 6 zeros, then 4 meter. This you have to write in standard form. Again we'll do the same thing. What we have to do, we'll remove this decimal. How will remove this decimal? So in denominator we'll write 1 to remove this decimal. Then after decimal how many digits are there? 6 zeros are there, and this one total 7 digits are there. So we'll write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 70. Okay, and in numerator when we have removed this decimal, so in numerator only 4 will be left. If we'll remove this decimal, then before the digit put any number of 0, no value, so it will become 4 only, so it will become 4 by this much. Okay, now what we can write in exponent? 4 by 10 to the power how much? 7 zeros are there, so we'll write 10 to the power 7. Now again we'll write 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 in standard form. Just now I have explained you how we are getting this 10 to the power 7, we are bringing into the numerator. So from plus exponent plus, it is becoming minus. Now it is in the form of m into 10 to the power n, where m in place of m 4 is there, and in place of n minus 7 is there. It is in the standard form. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now come to another question. Okay, so before coming to another question, I would like to discuss one concept which we have studied in class 5 only. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter. This much we have studied in class 5 only. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This much you know. So 1 meter will be equal to how many millimeter? 100 centimeter. If I'll ask you 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter will be equal to how many millimeter? 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 100 into 10, that is 1000 millimeter it will become, isn't it? Now 100 centimeter, this 100 centimeter is equal to what? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we can write 1 meter is equal to how much? 1000 millimeter, or not? So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay. Now if 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, then from unitary method what we can write? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter, or not? This much you know. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Similarly, if I'll ask you 3 millimeter is equal to how many meter? Then 3 millimeter will be equal to 3 by 1000 meter. Okay. Now if I'll ask you 5 millimeter is equal to how many meter? Then 5 by 1000 meter. Okay, so in your question it is given. Now I'll come to the question of your book. Question number 3. 6 3. Okay, it is given 0.03 millimeter. Express it in standard form. You have to express it in standard form. Okay, now 0.03 millimeter. So two ways, either you can write in millimeter only or in meter. So both the ways I am going to tell you. So 3 millimeter. So what we have to do here? Just we have to remove this decimal. To remove this decimal, what we'll do? In denominator we'll write 1. Then after decimal 2 digits are there. So 20. Then we have removed this decimal. So in numerator only 3 will get. So it will become 3 by 100 millimeter. Okay. Now 3 by 100 millimeter means what? 3 by 100 millimeter, we can write it as 3 by 10 to the power 2. Can we write or not? 100 we can write as 10 to the power 2. So in standard form, what we can write? 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 millimeter. Okay. So this is your standard form. This 10 to the power 2 we have brought into the numerator. So from plus exponent 2, it has become minus 2 exponent. Okay. Now rest of the question we'll discuss tomorrow. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.